Yeah, still the 31st of March. A little down, dirty, and quick project. Made a release handle for my hydraulic press. Normally you have to take the handle off the jack portion, line the slots up, release it. With this, a little bit more precise, a little bit quicker. Stupid simple. That's a piece of 5/8 round stock from Tractor Supply, about 7/8 of an inch long, center drilled, 3/8 hole, and then cross drilled through for this steel pin that came with the jack. That was the engagement for the slot on the handle. Quick and simple, dirt cheap. This rod here was a 5/16 bolt. I cut the threads and head off. When you're drilling round stock, get you some center drills. They come in all different sizes. This is a small one because I was using a small drill bit. But get you some center drills. Otherwise you tend to break all your drill bits. So they come in all different sizes. I got a large assortment. Came with all the surplus tools I bought. Real handy to have. Amazon, of course. So another long-term project I've been meaning to do for years, and finally got around and doing it. I used my hydraulic press today to straighten up my digging bar. That's what reminded me I was going to put a handle on that release. So now that's taken care of. That's all for this one. Thank you.